This is not motivation for one day. This is a reminder for the days you feel tired, but still choose not to quit. Calmness is strength under control. Inner peace is built through discipline. Control of self creates freedom. Calm thinking builds power. Peace comes from self-awareness. Master yourself before mastering the world. Emotional control builds confidence. Inner balance creates stability. Calm minds lead strong lives. Peace is discipline applied internally. Self-mastery builds resilience. Control over emotions creates clarity. Inner strength is quiet. Calmness strengthens focus. Self-mastery creates confidence. Peace removes fear. Inner discipline builds calmness. Mastery begins with awareness. Calmness creates authority. Inner peace builds mental clarity. Self-control shapes identity. Energy creates progress. Peace strengthens patience. Inner mastery builds freedom. Calm minds handle pressure better. Control creates strength. Peace is trained, not given. Self-mastery removes chaos. Calmness builds trust. Inner discipline creates power. Peace supports clarity. Self-mastery strengthens purpose. Calm thinking creates results. Inner peace sharpens decisions. Control builds resilience. Calmness creates momentum. Inner mastery builds direction. Peace strengthens growth. Control builds confidence. Calm minds grow stronger. Purpose gives effort meaning. Direction matters more than speed. Growth requires intention. Purpose fuels discipline. Your future responds to daily habits. Growth demands patience. Purpose removes confusion. Direction sharpens focus. Growth builds confidence. Purpose strengthens resilience. Your future is built daily. Growth compounds over time. Purpose creates clarity. Direction creates momentum. Growth builds stability. Purpose fuels consistency. Your habits shape destiny. Growth rewards discipline. Purpose builds endurance. Direction creates confidence. Growth creates freedom. Purpose gives pain meaning. The future rewards effort. Growth strengthens identity. Purpose creates strength. Growth creates momentum. Purpose defines success. The future is earned. Growth rewards patience. Purpose strengthens discipline. Direction builds stability. Stay quiet. Focus your mind. This message will change how you see yourself. This is not just a speech. This is mental training for life. Real growth begins when you stop waiting for perfect conditions and start committing to progress. Even when the path feels uncomfortable, discipline is not about forcing yourself. It is about respecting the future you are building through daily effort. Sometimes life slows you down, not to stop you, but to teach you focus, patience, and self-control. The strongest version of you is created in moments when no one is watching, and quitting would be easier than continuing. You don't need to be fearless to move forward. You only need the courage to act despite uncertainty. Growth is not measured by speed. It is measured by how consistently you show up on difficult days. When your mind becomes calm and focused, even pressure starts working in your favor. Success is built quietly through discipline long before it is ever seen by others. Every small promise you keep to yourself strengthens your confidence and self-respect. Life changes when you stop reacting emotionally and start responding with clarity and purpose. This is not just a speech. This is mental training for life.